Hey, I'm Jo, a Qigong teacher, Shiatsu and Chinese medicine practitioner.
I'm Davy and I have Parkinson's.
And April is Parkinson'S Awareness Month. And so at the end of April, we will have a free class where Davy will be live to ask him anything. But we thought we'd just share some of the journey, because it is really a journey
From diagnosis to now, it's a journey. I mean, you never know what you're going to get out of it. Each particular thing, be it some form of massage or some medication.
So what have you tried so far, Davy?
Everything I can think of. So there's craniosacral, shiatsu, acupuncture, general different types of massage, lots of meditation, different types of medications.
Colloidal silver,
Shellagite,
if it's there, Juice Plus, Davy will give it a go.
And it's meant that I'm actually very fit now, even though I still have Parkinson's. I'm very, very fit. And who knows, in the future, it may go all together.
Yeah, and so what we do is we kind of pick, I'm talking for you now, but Davy kind of like picks the things that really make him feel at ease. So some of the things he will do more of and some of them won't carry on. Like we do have a cupboard full of Juice Plus. And every so often you might take some of that.
Yeah.
But you do Qigong every day.
Every day. There's certain things I do every day. I do Qigong every day. I do meditation. Do meditation, if that's such a thing, every day. I eat well every day. We walk every day.
One thing that we definitely do that has really improved is to not eat after 7 o'clock. So we're not stressing the liver. In Chinese medicine, you really want to be eating early so that you don't stagnate the liver. If the liver is stagnated, you can end up getting more cramps and more tremors. So we definitely do that. We do Qigong every day. And really, we're not here to lecture you, but to give you kind of like a smorgasbord.
Some of our tips.
Some of the things that we've tried that have worked. At the moment, Davy doesn't take any medication, but that may change in the future because you had...
Well, I had Deep Brain Stimulation where they put these 2 electrodes through my head down to the base of my brain, and that works amazingly well. Incredible, really. The thing for me, the big thing was sleep. I wasn't sleeping for a while.
Yeah.
For about 2 or 3 months, I hardly slept. And now, because we don't eat after 7, I don't drink really after 8.
Well, you cut out alcohol. Alcohol is a big thing that really suppresses the nerves. And you really can't walk. You're a bit like dancing if you drink too much. And walking and dancing become very difficult. So that we've definitely cut out. I say we. I have not quite so much.
You're better than you were. She's a good influence.
Yeah, and so we just thought we'd kind of come on and share. Now, Davy is going to do a whole mid-monthly health talk in Chi Flow, and he will be live in the free class. So the thing with the sleep, when you were really bad, you were doing...
When I was really bad, I was doing a lot of Qigong exercises before bed.
Healing sounds. I remember before bed, 20 minutes before bed, making all these different sounds. So when you were really in the depth of insomnia, you were doing the healing sounds. And then you got better and it changed to...
Lift in the Sky.
Lift in the Sky, a great Qigong move. I will teach that one in the class.
And now I use rosemary oil. I put it on my face and rub it into my neck, and that just helps me.
And then you do...
What else do I do?
3 gratitudes.
Oh, that's really good. 3 people I've met that day that I'm really grateful for meeting. So I do that every single time before I go to sleep. And normally I only get to number 2, or number 1 even. And then I'm sparko.
Yeah. He often falls asleep before me, I tell you, and often has a better sleep than me. You sleep so well. And sleep is one of those things that's not really related to Parkinson's, but has a massive impact on all the areas of health in your life. So I hope, really, our intention, we had to really soul search about whether we were going to do this Parkinson's month, because it is my job. It is what I do. Chi Flow with Jo is my job and I love it. And it's kind of like...
But it's so personal to me as well.
It's personal to Davy, and it's almost kind of like bringing out what is really personal and making it part of our work. And especially because I get paid for it.
I don't.
So, so we had to really kind of do a bit of soul searching. Are we going to do this? Are you going to do this? And it's
Am I going to stand up?
Are you going to stand up in front of a lot of people and demonstrate Qigong next to a Qigong teacher? You know, so fair play to you, Davey. You're being really brave, and we're really sharing it for the good of you and the good of all beings. So, yeah, come and join us. Come and join us. And if you've got any questions, Davey's going to be live in the chat after the free class. So make sure you sign up, and we'll see you there. Have a chi-filled day.